In this video, we want to solve for x given 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x is equal to 200. We have 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x. Since they are exactly the same thing, this is 5 raised to power x all squared is equal to 200. By indices, using a raised to power m raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m times n. By this law of indices, this then becomes 5 raised to power x times 2, which is 2x, is equal to 200. This is an exponential problem. So for this exponential equation, I'm going to take the logarithm of both sides. We will have log 5 raised to power 2x is equal to log 200. Then the left side expression is of the form log a raised to power m. By law of logarithm, this will give us m times log a, which, when applied to this, becomes 2x log 5 is equal to log 200. I'm going to divide both sides by log 5. So log 5 cancels log 5. Then I have 2x is equal to log 200 divided by log 5. So 2x is equal to 200 here. We can break it down in so many ways. I can say 2 times 100, or I can say 25 times 8. So let's do that. So 25 times 8 divided by log 5. Then I'm going to apply another law of logarithm. Given log a times b, by logarithm, this will give us log a plus log b. Therefore, 2x now becomes log 25 plus log 8, then divided by log 5. I'm going to separate this division to give us 2x is equal to log 25 divided by log 5, then plus log 8 divided by log 5. This will give us 2x is equal to log 25 is 5 raised to power 2 divided by log 5 plus log 8 is 2 raised to power 3, then divided by log 5. We can now express this as 2x is equal to 2 log 5 divided by log 5 plus 3 log 2 divided by log 5. Log 5 cancels log 5. Then we have 2x is equal to 2 plus 3 times log 2 divided by log 5. This expression is of the form log A divided by log B. And by law of logarithm, this will give us log A base B. So we have 2x is equal to 2 plus 3. Then this is log 2 base 5. Log 2 base 5. I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So this cancels this. 2 divided by 2 here is 1. Then we have x is equal to 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 5. This is the final answer to this problem. Now let us check to confirm that this is correct. By checking, we mean that we are going to substitute this value that we just got into the original equation, which was 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power x is equal to 200. This we said is 5 raised to power x raised to power 2 to make our work easier. Not much has been done from here, so we can still substitute into here. And this will give us 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 over 2 log 2 base 5. Then all of that raised to power 2 to give us 200. Let us open this bracket. To do that, we simply multiply it with each of the values in the power. So we have 5 raised to power 1 times 2 is 2, plus 3 over 2 times 2 is 3. Then log 2 base 5 is equal to 200. Then we go ahead and separate these powers using this law of indices. A raised to power m plus n is equal to a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So this gives us 5 raised to power 2 times 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 is equal to 200. 5 raised to power 2 here is 25. Then I'm going to return this all the way here by law of logarithm. So I have 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3 base 5 is equal to 200. This gives us 25 times 5 raised to power, this will be log 8 base 5 is equal to 200. Then this expression by law of logarithm is of the form a raised to power log m base a, which will give us m. Therefore, we have 25 times, by this law, this expression will give us 8. So we have 25 times 8 is equal to 200. And of course, 25 times 8 is 200. So 200 is equal to 200. The left-hand side balances the right-hand side, and that confirms that the solution we got for x is perfect and correct. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.